Good morning, guys. My name is Vikas Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor. Today, we are going to learn about the transformer, basic principle, and its application. After completion of this course, the student will learn about the what is transformer, its basic principle of operation, and the role of transformer in power system. Uh, this course contains principle of operation of transformer, application of transformer, role of transformer in power system, and different type of transformers. Transformer, as we know, all know, transformer is a static device. Static means transformer has no rotating part. Transformer is a static device which transfer power from one device to one circuit to another circuit with or without change in power, without change in frequency, with or without change in voltage, and there is no change in frequency, with or without mutual induction. We can see here inside of transformer. Here we can see this is the core of transformer. This is the core of transformer where we bound the binding of transformer. Transformer application, as we know, in power system we use transformer at power generating station, as transmission, and at distribution station, where at distribution we use distribution transformer, at generating unit we use power transformer, in lighting system we also use transformer, we use transformer in electronics component, and if we as we discussed, there are many transformer, potential transformer and current transformer. Transformer working, if a transformer working on Faraday's law of mutual induction, where flux change of coil EMF induced. If we apply an AC voltage in the primary coil, then a flux will generate which regulate in core and which link in the another winding of the transformer, that creates an EMF to the wind, secondary winding of the transformer. There are many types of transformer: step up transformer, step down transformer, or isolated transformer. Step up transformer is the primary winding number of turns in primary winding is less than number of turns in secondary winding, then is known as step up transformer, because the number of turns in secondary is more than number of turns in primary. Similarly, if we want to know about the step down transformer, then the number of turns in primary winding will be greater than the number of turns in secondary winding. Isolation transformer, which isolate two circuit, as I discussed in the definition of transformer. Transformer is a static device which transfer power with or without change in frequency, with or without mutual induction, or with or without change in voltage. So isolation transformer is only a transformer which transfer power from one circuit to another circuit without change in voltage, because the primary winding number of turns in primary winding is same as the number of turns in secondary winding. Auto transformer, we can change the number of turns as we require. Now I want to ask from you guys, can transformer work on DC supply? The answer will be no. Transformer can not work on DC supply, because we want a flux to be induced in the core. If we supply AC, then flux will be induced, but this flux will not be alternating flux, which cut to secondary winding, but no EMF will generated to the another side. Summary: we learn about the basic of transformer, application of transformer in power system, and thank you.